Once again, welcome to our CorelDraw tutorial. Inside this video, we are going to show you how to design wedding banner with its CorelDraw. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to create a wedding banner design. So let's get started. First, open CorelDraw and create a new document. Set the dimension according to your banner size requirement. Next, choose your favorite color that will make your banner stand out. So this is my background. I use light background. The color mixture with gold. The flower, flower. So this is my image. I've already cropped it before. So this is these elements. We have adjustments. Adjust the picture by left click. These transparent tools, drag it down, bitmap the picture again, page up the effect elements, circle, draw circle, blur, Gaussian blur to blend. I'm adjusting the Gaussian blur effects. I'm drawing circle, draw circle, your text, change the font face, change your font face, cut, contrast, Ctrl V, the shortcut, Ctrl K to break the text, enlarge by dragging with left click, changing the font, adjust by left click, enter the text by clicking on testing tools, F10 or cutting tools to adjust the text. Then my color, I want to use gold as my favorite color. This hashtag, changing the font, Ctrl K to break the text, zoom to zoom, adjusting your text, this is effect element, your circle, copy the color, power clip inside, adjust, right click to double the circle, adjust, copy again by right click, drag and click, power clip inside, power clip inside, adjust, power clip the image again, So import the graphics element effects. You can download it from Google. Bitmap, power clip inside, adjust, hold Alt and click, transparency tools again, adjust, (2023) right side, you will right click, right and drag to copy the fill color, right click and drag. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tutorial and tips.